how's it going? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be filming a look on this eye today. Just a brown smoky eye featuring this quad from Avon in Mocha Latte. So if you're interested in this look, just keep watching. So I'll be starting by moisturizing my lips, and then I'll be giving you a closer look at the eyeshadow quad I'm using today. You can see it's numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll be taking the number 2 shade, which is a beige color, and putting that in my crease with a blending brush. And I want to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout my crease, and so I'm using windshield wiper motions to make sure I'm able to get that. And then next I'm taking this taupey brown shimmery shade, which is the number 3, and grabbing a flat shader brush in order to really, again, evenly distribute that throughout the lid. Next, I take the espresso color, which is the number 4 in the quad, and I'll be distributing that in the outer V portion of my eye and a bit into the crease. So you don't want to take this color and put it all over your crease. You really want to keep it in the outer V of your eye to make sure you get that nice smoky look. And then next I want to intensify that shimmer a bit on my lid. So I'm taking the number 3 color again and putting that all over my lid. And then I realized, you know what? I want to intensify this look a bit more. So I took some more of that espresso color and put some more of that brown into the outer V, and now I am just blending. And you really want to take your time when it comes to blending. I'd say this is the most important part when it comes to your eye look, and you just want to keep blending until you are happy. And so you're going to see I go ahead and blend some more on the other side until I am happy with my look. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and here is the final look. So what I did is I lined my eyes with Avon Glimmer Stick in Copper, and then I went ahead and put on the Avon True Color Love at First Flash Mascara. I put it on top and on the bottom to add that great volume to my lashes. And then I took the Avon True Color Contour Stick, the highlighting side, and just put that on my brow bone for a nice highlight there. And then to top it off, I put on the Crave Lip Gloss in Peach Bellini. I think it complements this look super well. I know it looks super summery, but this is kind of the vibe I'm going for right now. We're not really having that weather, but just kind of wanted to have a bronzy peachy look today. But yeah, I actually did a review and swatch video on the Crave Lip Gloss, and if you have not checked that out, I will link that below, as well as all the products I used today. So thanks again for watching, guys.